another, until the entire room was a cacophony of sirens and cascading error codes. Calm evaporated, replaced by a surge of adrenaline as controlled focus dissolved into wide-eyed panic. The symphony had become a shriek of dread. Deep within the 27-kilometer ring of the Large Hadron Collider, a point of impossible darkness materialized. It was no bigger than a pinprick, yet it absorbed all light, a perfect, silent sphere of nothingness hanging impossibly in the heart of the particle accelerator. The tiny black sphere began to flicker, spitting out erratic violet sparks of energy as it slowly, inexorably began to expand. On the monitors above, the energy readings spiked into numbers previously thought only theoretical, confirming the unbelievable truth. They had created a monster. A frantic montage captures the escalating global crisis. Split screens show CERN scientists on urgent video calls with world governments, their faces etched with a mixture of fear and disbelief. Quick cuts reveal Dr. Urs Thorn and his small team of theoretical physicists racing against an impossible clock. Whiteboards become a frantic mess of complex equations, while powerful computers run simulation after simulation, each one ending in a grim depiction of planetary annihilation. Every potential solution they devise crumbles against the stark reality of the unstoppable anomaly they had unleashed. The climax arrives with a single somber broadcast. The director of CERN, her face a mask of weary resignation, addresses the world. The containment field has failed, she announces, her voice heavy with the weight of her words. The anomaly. It is no longer within our control. Her statement is followed by a rapid-fire sequence of global leaders from the White House to Downing Street in issuing broadcasts to their terrified populations. The world, once unified in the pursuit of knowledge, was now united in shared terror. Amidst the worldwide chaos, the scene shifts to a small, cluttered laboratory far from the epicenter. Dr. Thorne's team works in a state of feverish intensity. They shout over one another, arguing complex theoretical models and pointing frantically at scribbled notes. The hope of humanity rests not in military might, but in the minds of these few individuals, fighting a war of mathematics against a cosmic horror. The weight of billions of lives hangs on their every calculation. The final shot begins with a slow, terrifying zoom out, showing the now visible black hole hanging in the sky. Its immense gravity bending and distorting the clouds around it into a swirling vortex. The world watches its doom approach. The camera then cuts sharply to an extreme close-up of Dr. Thornton's face. His brow is furrowed, his eyes scanning a forgotten equation on a dusty chalkboard. Suddenly, his eyes widen, not in fear, but in a flash of brilliant, world-saving revelation. A eureka moment dawns just as the world teeters on the brink of extinction.